Building mixed reality headsets isn't the only new project Apple's been working on in very public secret. The company's all but confirmed Project Titan automotive project continues to trudge along, and according to a new report from The Information, remains a mess, with the car's interior design the only somewhat stable element in a storm of leadership and direction changes. On the evening of March 15, TF International Securities analyst Ming-Chi posted on his personal social media account that the Apple Car project team had been disbanded for some time. If the mass production target is achieved in 2025, the team needs to be reorganized within 3 to 6 months. This means that Apple's car-making plan has changed again, and it also casts a shadow over the goal of full mass production in 2025. Apple's car-making plan has been put on hold again. Who is to blame? Why is it so difficult for Apple to build a car? Okay, in today's video, let's dive deep into the story of Apple Car. In fact, in the past 8 years, Apple's car-making project team has undergone several changes. In January of this year, Bloomberg reported that Joe Bass, the software engineering project management director of Apple's car project team, had left. So far, all executives of the car-making project team formed by Apple in 2021 have resigned. More than 100 engineers in the team were also poached by Meta company. In fact, in the past 3 years, Apple has completed the entire process from large-scale recruitment to team dissolution. In 2020, Apple released recruitment information for the special project group on its official website. Among them, most positions require a professional education background in electrical engineering, and priority is given to those with automotive experience. The number of positions exceeds 300, covering battery power management, road safety, automotive experience, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and other fields. In 2021, Apple completed the team formation of the car project. Its management team includes 11 experienced industry experts, including Kevin Lynch, the head of Apple Watch, John Giannandrea, the AI expert, and Manfred Holler, the former head of Porsche Chassis. Besides, Doug Field, former Tesla Model 3 head of mass production, is replacing Bob Mansfield as team leader. With $250 billion in cash in hand and a professional team, it seems that Apple would set to make a big splash on the car circuit. However, in October last year, Ford announced that Doug Field, the former head of Apple's car-making project, would serve as Ford's chief advanced technology and embedded system director, which also revealed the personnel earthquake of Apple's car project team. In the months before Doug Field's departure, 4 executives have also left. With the departure of Joe Bass, the management of Apple's car-making team was officially disbanded. The frequent personnel changes of Apple's car-making project team are behind Apple's hesitation in choosing a car-making technology route. In my opinion, Apple CEO Tim Cook is the one to blame. Compared with the former CEO Jobs, Tim Cook is more conservative, and he is unwilling to take too many risks. As early as 2014, Apple launched a car-making plan codenamed Titan. Cook does not want the company to take the risk of developing the car market, and Apple's car-making project is progressing slowly. It was not until 2019 that Cook officially launched the car-making project. At the 2019 earnings call, Cook responded when asked about Apple's car-making plan, "We like to do a combination of hardware and software, but only if the market is big enough." At that time, both the new energy companies and traditional car companies have launched a variety of products, and the market share of battery electric vehicles has basically been saturated. Under normal circumstances, there are 2 technical paths for technology companies to enter the auto industry. One is to provide intelligent driving solutions to auto companies, the other is to directly manufacture cars. Cook was indecisive in the choice of route, and he also lacked some patience. Before 2018, the main person in charge of Project Titan was Bob Mansfield. Apple's route selection was similar to Google's. It developed high-level assisted driving, provided intelligent solutions for car companies, and applied for nearly 1,000 related patents. However, Apple's road test data lags far behind Google's subsidiary Waymo. In 2018, Apple tested 79,000 miles on the road throughout the year, and Waymo reached 10 million miles. In 2018, Apple hired Doug Field from Tesla, who served as vice president of hardware research and development at Apple from 2003 to 2008. However, due to the lower-than-expected research and development of autonomous driving, Apple laid off 300 automotive team engineers in 2019 and turned to vehicle design and manufacturing. According to Cook's idea, the automotive business line is similar to the mobile smart terminal. Apple is responsible for the design and finds traditional manufacturers for OEM. Some media reports said that Hyundai Motor and Apple had previously contacted to cooperate in building cars, but Hyundai Motor refuted the rumors. Some Hyundai executives believe that the cooperation between Hyundai and Apple should retain more autonomy and enable some technology sharing. For example, Apple's intelligent assisted driving should also export technology to Hyundai's own products. If it is simply an OEM for Apple, it will become the second Foxconn. In my opinion, Hyundai Kia, as the world's leading car company, has mastered core technologies in the fields of engines, gearboxes, and chassis. Hyundai is definitely not willing to become a foundry. It is worth noting that Tesla CEO Musk once shared a story on his personal social account. During the darkest days of the Model 3 development process, I tried to contact Apple CEO Tim Cook to discuss the possibility of being acquired by Apple at a tenth of Tesla's current market value, $60 billion, but Cook did not accept a meeting with me. At present, under the guidance of Cook, Apple's car-making route is not going smoothly, and it also provides some reference value for other technology companies that is making cars. Software-defined cars make it possible for technology companies to enter the market to build cars. On the one hand, technology companies need to cooperate with traditional car companies to learn from existing technologies. On the other hand, traditional car companies generally believe that the biggest opponent in the future will come from the technology industry, which means that the two parties will eventually become rivals. Apple has a very strong brand and pretty loyal customer base, but those are mainly for much cheaper products like tablets, computers, and iPhones. Even for Apple, converting users from a $750 phone to a $75,000 car will be quite a leap. Releasing a car would not just challenge Apple's ability to market its products, it would fundamentally change the type of company Apple is. Apple successfully adapted from being a computer company to a devices and services company, but that's arguably a much easier shift than moving from a devices company to automobile company. Besides, don't forget Tesla is a formidable opponent. Commenting on an Apple car, Tesla CEO Elon Musk welcomed new all-electric cars into the market. About the Apple car, Musk said, "It will expand the industry." But while Musk may want others to join him on the EV train, there's no way he doesn't still want to be king of it. Tesla has been busy upending the electric car market over the past several years, and it's unlikely that Apple will be able to steal Tesla's thunder with its own car. Therefore, Apple won't just be entering a new market, it'll be competing directly with one of its most formidable opponents ever. Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below and share your insightful ideas with other people. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. See you.